The stock is definitely off its lows of the day, a drop of about 3% now, David. And there is this report of a potential accident in Minnesota. Details are still a little sketchy on that. But what are investors reacting to for the most part?
Look, I think they did react in part to what Musk said over the weekend when he said the company is overvalued. It's not the first time he said it. When Tesla's value surpassed that of General Motors, he shortly after that said he thought his own company was overvalued, particularly compared to GM. So there is some reaction because you saw the shares open a little bit low this morning. When they really started to dive more steeply, though, was around 10 o'clock, and that's around when the news story came out about this accident in rural Minnesota, where a Model S crashed with someone using or at least saying that they were using the Autopilot software, which is it's like a driver assistance program. It's not a self-driving car, but it helps you correct it if you're veering out of lane and that sort of thing.
Yes, the Star Tribune is reporting this and saying that the driver and 4 passengers were slightly hurt. So we'll wait for more information and confirmation on that. Meanwhile, back to Musk's comments. He has a way of sort of saying the shares are overvalued without sounding like he really believes that investors are misguided, if you like. He sounds humble, and somehow what he says doesn't make it sound like he doesn't believe in the company.
Well, he certainly believes in what he's doing. He's got this vision. But you look at the value they've got. It's just so high. There's such a big premium on it. And it's based on growth in several different markets where he's playing. Battery storage, the electric cars. The Model 3 has to really hit it out of the park and not have any issues with production. They've got to get battery production, which has been an issue for the Model S and the Model X. They've got to get that right. I think even Elon knows that he's got to do a lot of things perfectly in the next 6 to 12 months to really justify a valuation like this and then sustain it for quite some time into the future.